If you're trying to learn AI using online courses, here are three things that are really important. Number one, the course should have latest curriculum because AI is changing really fast. Number two, you can't learn AI just with theory. You need hands-on experience. Number three, the instructor of the course needs to be an expert in AI because let's face it, anyone can create an online course these days. I analyzed 50 AI courses based on these three requirements, and I have found the top 5. Some of these courses are from Stanford, Harvard, and MIT. Let's go through these courses one by one. At number 5, we have MIT's Machine Learning with Python course. This is not your typical beginner level course that holds your hand at every step. This is a graduate level course with a deep dive into mathematics behind machine learning. The course has a strong focus on mathematical rigor. This will help you understand how machine learning actually works under the hood. You will learn about the core concepts like linear models for prediction and classification, neural networks for complex pattern recognition, and reinforcement learning for decision-making systems. The course shows how to implement these concepts from scratch, giving you a deep understanding that most other courses skip. The practical work covers crucial skills like model training, validation, and parameter tuning. These skills directly translate to real-world AI development. The course does require strong prerequisites in Python programming, linear algebra, and calculus. If you're looking for something lighter, I have other options later in the video. But here is the reason why I included this course in my top 5. Many companies, especially those working in cutting-edge AI, look for engineers who understand the core principles of machine learning, not just how to use frameworks. At number 4, we have IBM's AI Engineering Professional Certificate. Unlike the MIT course that focuses heavily on theory, this one is all about practical engineering skills. Think of it as your complete toolkit for becoming an AI engineer. This program has 13 courses that takes you from basic machine learning to cutting-edge generative AI engineering. What's particularly impressive about this course is how current it stays with industry trends. You will learn about large language models, how to fine-tune these models efficiently, and how to build AI applications using modern frameworks that companies actually use. The course teaches you how to use tools like PyTorch, TensorFlow, and LangChain, the same tools that AI engineers use in their daily work. You will also learn crucial skills like working with Apache Spark for handling large-scale data processing. The course ends with a capstone project where you solve a real-world problem using deep learning. This hands-on experience is invaluable when you are looking for jobs. But here is something that you should know. This is an intermediate level course. You need to have a solid foundation in Python and data analysis before starting. But this course is still in my top 5 because it offers the most comprehensive coverage of modern AI engineering practices, especially the tools and techniques that companies are actually hiring for right now. Before I move on to the next course by Harvard, I want to mention that for some people, diving directly into AI might feel overwhelming. If you're one of those people, you can start with a data analyst role. That's because it's a simpler and more practical entry point into the data field. As a data analyst, you can make somewhere between $70,000 to $100,000 at entry level. Coursera offers 3 professional certificates from Google, Meta, and Microsoft to help you break into the field of data analytics. These certificates will give you hands-on experience with popular industry tools like SQL, Tableau, and Power BI. The best part is that these certificates are created by industry experts, so you'll only learn what is actually valued in the job market. If you complete all the coursework, you will earn certificates from the top tech companies that are recognized by the employers. Coursera is offering 40% off on Coursera Plus subscription until July 21st. Check out the link in the description and the comments to get this discount. Moving on, at number 3, we have Harvard's Professional Certificate in Computer Science for AI. What makes this course special is its 2-part structure that sets you up for long-term success. The first part is Harvard's famous CS50 course. This course gives you rock-solid foundation in computer science. You will learn about data structures and algorithms and software engineering in general. These are the core concepts that every good AI engineer should know. The second part builds on this foundation with CS50's Introduction to AI with Python. Instead of just teaching you how to use AI libraries, this course helps you understand and implement AI concepts from scratch. You will build interesting projects like AI systems that can play strategically using minimax algorithms, recognize handwriting using neural networks, or understand natural language. The course is taught by Harvard faculty including Professor David Malan and Brian Yu. But there is one caveat. CS50 can be difficult for some beginners due to its rigorous nature, but if you are willing to put in the work, this course will teach you both the theoretical knowledge and practical skills that employers value. At number 2, we have deeplearning.ai's Deep Learning Specialization. If you are serious about understanding how the modern AI systems work, this is the course you need. The specialization has 5 carefully structured courses that builds your knowledge systematically. You start with fundamentals of neural networks and deep learning. Here you learn how to build and train basic neural networks from scratch. Then you learn how to improve these neural networks through advanced techniques like hyperparameter tuning, regularization, and optimization algorithms. There is also a unique course on structuring your machine learning projects. But what makes this course special is its coverage of advanced architectures like convolutional neural networks for computer vision and transformers for natural language processing. This is the same technology that powers modern AI systems like ChatGPT and Gemini. You will work on practical applications like image recognition, object detection, and even artistic style transfer. The course is taught by Andrew Ng, who is the founding lead of Google Brain and former chief scientist at Baidu. The other instructors also include experts from Stanford University who have a long track record of teaching these complex concepts. At number 1, we have Stanford's Machine Learning Specialization. You might be wondering why I put this course above Deep Learning Specialization. Well, here is why. This course provides perfect foundation you need before diving deeper into advanced concepts like deep learning. It's structured in 3 comprehensive parts to build your knowledge from the ground up. First, you learn supervised machine learning. This is where you teach computers to make predictions based on data. You will work with essential algorithms like linear regression for predictions and logistic regressions for classification. The second part covers advanced learning algorithms like neural networks and decision trees. Finally, in the third part, you learn about unsupervised learning techniques like clustering and recommender systems. What makes this course special is its focus on best practices and data-centric approach to improving model performance. Instead of just teaching you the algorithms, it shows you how to make them work in the real world. You will learn skills like how to evaluate and tune your model, how to handle bias variance trade-off, and how to approach AI development systematically. This course is also taught by Andrew Ng and other experienced professionals from deeplearning.ai. Throughout the course, you will work with industry-standard tools like Python, NumPy, and scikit-learn. This will help you build practical skills that employers look for. Now this brings me to a very important point. The path you choose depends heavily on your background and goals. If you're completely new to AI, start with Stanford's ML specialization. It provides you the best foundation. If you have a strong programming foundation and want to learn how the modern AI systems work, go for deep learning specialization. If you want to become an AI engineer building and deploying AI systems, the IBM certificate might be your best bet. And if you want a strong foundation in computer science along with AI knowledge, Harvard certificate is perfect for you. For those looking for research roles or roles that require strong theoretical foundation, the MIT course would be ideal. Now I know what some of you are thinking. These courses look great, but they also look expensive. Well, here is something that most people don't know. Most of these courses can be audited for free. You won't get the certificate, but you will have access to all the course content. And if you do want the certificate, some of these courses also offer financial aid. Now most of the courses that we covered today are from big universities. But did you know that Google also offers programming courses? If you want to know the top 10 courses made by Google, watch this video. My name is Sahil and I'll see you in the next one.